January 13th, out here splitting up some cherry with some termite and rotted core damage in it. But, this little bug here came out. Thought he was kind of interesting. Big old bug eyes on him. Beetle, I don't know what it is. Might be a cicada, I don't know. Anyway, I just thought I'd share it. Thought it was interesting. January 16th, I think, 2021. Here we are in the greenhouse. I have to replace this pipe over here. You can see there's kind of a little bit of a hole there. It's pretty banged up and beat up, and it's starting to rust through. And so I need to replace it. And in order to do that, of course, the stove has to be cooled off so I can do it without burning myself or getting my face smoked off, etc. I was going to get out here a little bit earlier, but I had a few other things going on that I had to take care of. So I'm back in here now. It's a little chilly in here. I don't know what the actual temperature is, but it's probably upper 50s, I would guess. Oh yeah, 52, so it gets a little chilly in here. Anyway, I picked up a new piece of pipe. The price of this stuff has gone up. These used to be $16, and now they're 25 bucks with tax. So it is what it is. At least I got a new piece of pipe. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this, put it in. I'll show you a clip when it's done, and then I got to get the stove fired up and get things warmed back up in here. Side note, I guess, while I'm at it, my friend John had ordered some firewood for his stove, and some of these pieces, most of these pieces, are a little too long to fit his stove, so he actually gifted these to me, which was really generous and really nice of him. So thank you, John, I appreciate it. This will make the heating season go a little bit easier this year. So anyway, just thought I would share that. Alright, let's get this stovepipe in. Alright, so it's in. I had trouble getting this seam to seam together. I've never had so much trouble getting one of these stovepipe seams to go together, but this thing would not go together. I spent 45 minutes screwing with it, and I finally said the heck with it, since I clamped here anyway. I just clamped, and I was leaving the other clamp up top. That clamp, of course, went bad on me. I couldn't get it to tighten back up. I went to tighten it back up. Just one of those things, one of those days. New stovepipe on, at least we don't have a hole in the pipe. It should be okay for now. We only got to make it out till like March or April, and then the heating season's done, and thank God for that. So that's all set. I guess I'll just show you the other stovepipe quick, because the top of that was pretty shot too, and then we'll call it. So here's the old pipe. You can see it was pretty much not too far from complete disintegration. And then the top side, also it's loaded with creosote, which needed to be cleaned. Top side, you can see it was rotten out, so it was overdue for a replacement. But you know, we're running on a negative budget most of the time, so that keeps things fun, interesting, and challenging. Anyway, it's back together. I'm going to go ahead and start the stove back up and get some heat production going on here and get this place warmed back up like a greenhouse should be. Hope you found this interesting or informative. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network. We'll catch you later. Peace. Oh yeah, keep your friends close and your farmers closer.